Forget it, we'll leave him here.
Come on, Julio, get out! Luis, come on, help him, get in. Ay, Dios mío. Oh my God.
Jeez.
Level the boat. Ay,
Get out there, coño. Julio.
ahí está, ahí está. Suave, suave. Suave, suave. Suave.
Juan, hold the boat.
Push. Go back.
Okay, Julio, ya, vamos, get out, get out. No.
Move the boat straight.
Oh my
Go
God.
that way. Straight. Straight the motor.
Luis, move out of the way. Oh my God.
No hay pared para la escalera, te lo estoy diciendo. Que no hay pared para la escalera aquí. La pared de la escalera. Es the width of the boat.
Hey, Ariana, can I have those keys, please, that are hanging? See those keys that are hanging down? Now, look farther down. See those keys that are... Thing you got your hand on. See the keys? I need them.
Vete para acá, maricón.
They're coming for you. You can't get on the boat, see? Adios. Hey,
Mira, Dios mundo cruel. Vamos, métete al bote.
Vete, Julio. Barriga aquí y vaya para adentro. Oye.
Ay, Dios mío.
Mete todos los pies, como te digo.
Dad, I need to help move on.
Guayadina, we're trying to help Uncle Junior.
bueno, espérate. El bote se baja,
Dad, I'll be back. I need to help move on.
No.
I have
¿Qué
to.
tiene Luban?
Ya, me hizo un-
No, what's the matter with Luban?
He needs help. He can't do it by himself.
Okay.
Espérate, ya, güey. Ya.
Okay, come on, Junior, you can do it. Get him. Get him.
Venga, bro. No.
No, Billy, you pull him.
Saca una foto, Yaira.
Una foto. Forget about it. Luis, get on the boat now. Luis, oh my God.
Dad, I need to help move on.
I help? No.
Oh my God.
Got it. No. No.
No.
No.
Tatiana, we're leaving.
No seconds there.
Oh my God. Okay, you're next. Get in the boat.
¿Qué?
Luis,
Estoy bien.
Move on.
get in the boat. Oh my God.
Es que el
Luis.
bote, cuando I tried to left, el bote se me iba para aquel lado.
Oh my God. Luis, get in the freaking boat.
Ahora te voy a dejar que voy a dejarte solito un ratito.
Oh my God.
Esa escalera no es la que las escaleras van atrás allí.
Get in.
Pues tú te
Oh
agarras
my
del motor
God.
para poder subir.
Mira qué fácil. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, huh?
Okay, Luan, let's go.
All right, jump in here.